Hey guys, it's me Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing this glitter party look. Just follow along. I'm going to be talking to you through the steps instead of doing a voiceover because it's easier for me to edit. And I hope that you enjoy the look. Hey guys, so we're going to start by applying a concealer or a eyeshadow base. So I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. I'm just going to use my finger to dab it onto my eye. Make sure to go up into your brow bone. Now to set the concealer, I'm using ColourPop's Truly Madly Deeply Pressed Powder Palette. This is the only palette we're going to be using throughout this video. So if you would like to get this look, go ahead and try purchasing it. I'll try to remember to link it down in the description box. If I forget, my apologies. We're going to use the color Matter of Fact, which is right here, to set the concealer. It's like a really light beige color. I'm using a really fluffy brush for this. Just going to go in and put it all over my eyelid, including the brow bone. Now using the same brush, I'm going in with Golden Gate Bridge, which is right underneath Matter of Fact. And I'm going to apply this into my crease. Now using a slightly smaller, fluffier brush, or fluffy brush, I'm going in to Lay Low, which is across the board from Matter of Fact, right here. It's like an orangey tone. And I'm going to put it in the crease as well, but a little bit lower than how high I put Golden Gate Bridge. Now I'm going to use Cutout, which is a slightly darker orange, and I'm going to place this at the end of my eye and a little bit into the crease. Now taking a packing brush, which looks like this, and a spray, which I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose and 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm going to spray it to dampen it. And then I'm going to go in with Sweet Dreams, which is right next to the beige that we were using. And I'm going to put it on the eyelid. And then I'm going in with Renegade, which is the sparkly glitter color, and put it on top of Sweet Dreams. Very glittery, so if you want to do this eyeshadow look before you put on face makeup, I would advise, but I put my face makeup on beforehand because I didn't know what look I was doing at first. And then we're going into Too Much, which is this deep purple color, with a very small brush. And I'm going to place it at the very end of my eye into a side V-like motion. And then just lightly push it into your end of your eye and into the crease in a V-like manner. And then you're going to want to blend it out. I'm going to stick to where it's at to blend it out, so it doesn't go too much further in. Going back to Lay Low, which is that lighter orange right here. I'm going to blend this in on my lower lid. Going back to Cutouts, which is right here. I'm going to blend this in at the end of my lower lid. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, which is a precision brush. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. And going back to Sweet Dreams, which is right here. I'm going to place this in my inner corner. And that's all we're going to need from this ColourPop palette, so you can put it to the side. I lied, there's a couple more things we need to do. The ColorConcept Eyeliner in black. And I'm going to waterline, tightline the top lid, the inner top lid. Just be careful of your eyes when you're doing this. If you need to hold your eyelid up to do it, then do that. But I'm not going to because I don't want to ruin the glitter. Now I'm going to do the waterline with NYX retractable eyeliner in white. Now I'm going to take this eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. Sorry, in blackest black. And I'm going to shuffle it into my eyelashes. For lashes, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Sultry. These are new lashes, so I'm going to cut them to fit my eyes. I'm going to cut them at the end, right here. I'm going to go 2 in, and then I'm going to use my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm going to place it onto the band. Now you're going to want to let this dry until it's tacky so that it sticks to your eyes. You can either blow on it, which I wouldn't advise, but I do it anyways because, you know, germs. But I do it anyways. Or you can wait about 30 seconds and it should dry around that time period. Now you're going to want to place it as close to your eyelashes as possible. I have to go close to the mirror to do this, so if I get out of view or get blurry, my apologies. Then you want to take a tweezers, or if you're really good with your fingers, use your fingers to get the corners where they need to be and pop them, or just take your entire thing off, whichever, because there's glue on your tweezers. Good job, Amanda. Put the glue back on. Wait another 30 seconds. I had to fix my other eyelash because it was coming off, of course. So if you see it coming off again, my apologies, I'll have to fix it. Now to do the rest of the face, so I'm going to pull you out. I'm using Carlibybel's Illmakiage palette to do this look. It is limited edition, and it might go out soon, or being sold out soon, so if there's any left, I will link it down in the description if I remember. And you can try to grab it. Otherwise, you can use any contour kit you want to do this look. I'm using the color Capricorn right here and a fluffy brush. I'm going to clean it off first. And I'm going to blend this out jawline and on my temple. Now do the other side. Now going in with Aquarius, which is this blush right here. I'm cleaning up my brush first. I'm going to lightly put this on my cheeks. Now I'm not going to use the highlighters from this kit. I'm going to use the highlighters from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero kit. And I'm going to use the color Forever Lit, which is this white color right here. It's blinding. I'm going to use my fingers to dab it onto my upper cheekbone. My nose. And that's it. Well, I'm going to put it right here too. On my Cupid's bow. For lipstick or lip liner, I'm using Carlibybel's Illmakiage and lip liner in AI. So it looks like this. Kind of has a pink nude undertone. And I'm going to line my lips with it. For lipstick, I'm using its sister. It's Carlibybel's Illmakiage in the color Taurus. It's also a pink undertone with a nude. Now to set it all, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm going to spray it all over my face. And then I'm going to dab my face with my damp beauty blender to get all that excess powder off so you don't look cakey. And that is it, the end of this look. I hope that it was easy to follow. I hope I did the steps correctly. If there was any noise in the background, my apologies. My roommates are up, and this is the only time of the day that I can film. So you might hear noises in the background. I'll try to cover it by quieting the video when I'm not talking and putting music in the background if I remember. So that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more makeup videos, mental health videos, and etc., just keep on watching and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.